I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will get into the basic concepts of what does the statement solve equations mean. Now the question here is, explain why the x-coordinate of the points where the graph of equations y equals to fx and y equals to g of x intersect are the solution of the equation fx equals to g of x. Now this is a very basic question which we need to understand, and after exploring this we'll get into real problems, the numerical problems which you deal with. Now when we say a function, it means we are relating two quantities. One of them is independent of the other, or we can say the other one is dependent on the first one. The independent quantity in this case, when we say f of x, is x, which is along the x-axis, and the dependent quantity is along the y-axis. Now when we say there are two functions, y equals to f of x and y equals to g of x, so let me just sketch two different functions here. Let's say one of the functions is kind of like this, and the other function is kind of like this. Okay, so let us say this is the function g of x, and this is our function f of x. Now when we say that f of x equals to g of x, we introduce equal to sign here. We say f of x equals to g of x and find the solution. Then always what we do is, to find the solution, we figure out where f of x and g of x are same and provide solution, which is the x value. Let us say in this case the x value is a and b, right? Then we say, well, our solution to this is x equals to a or b. That is what basically solving equations means. Now the question is, this is our understanding and that is correct. Why are we looking for only the x values? Well, f of x and g of x are the y values. We already know they are same, right? So they are same. So we say, well, provide the value of x when they are same. So that is what it is. Once you know the x value, you really know the y value also. And the y value in this case will be f of a for the first coordinate and f of b for the second, right? So in this case the y value will be f of a, and here let me write in the other way, which is, I know b is the x value, so the y value is f of b, correct? Y value is dependent on the x value, so knowing x value is critical to solving equations. That is the basics, right?